Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you watched a reel on Instagram but forgot to like it or save it, you might think it is lost. But Instagram has a watch history feature that lets you see recently watched reels. Now let me show you how to find reels you watched on Instagram. First, open Instagram on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, tap on your activity. On this page, scroll down until you see Watch History. Tap on Watch History. Here you will see the reels that you recently watched on Instagram. You can open any reel from this list and watch it again. This feature is very helpful if you accidentally scroll past a reel and want to find it again. Just open your activity section and check the watch history. That is how you see recently watched reels on Instagram. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more quick Instagram tips and troubleshooting tutorials.